smelling very good. The salad, you cook it. You put the meat inside. I like the meat to give a kind of a flavor of a freshness to the food. Oh. Then you drop your peas. Don't forget to add a little bit salt into the pot. You're gonna go up and up. So it doesn't have to cover it completely, but a little bit. And then what you do, very simple, you take your meatball and you put them in. You can close this one. Up. So it's different than what you used to see. And let it cook for 20 minutes, half an hour. We will be together when it will be ready. I'm going to put it over there. We need eggplants. We need zucchini. We need tomato. And I know Natalie look at me because the water is still going and I'm wasting water. She definitely doesn't eat. So, what we're going to do is cutting dice. So you can decide to cut big dice, small dice, that depends how many you want. For the one we know me, back at the restaurant we are cutting a little bit small. I like it like that. We can make at home a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's a Provençal stew. Provençal is made from Provence. Provence is south of France. So you have all the flavor. The garlic, the thyme. Me, I do herbe de Provence. This one is beautiful. And the other herb. So you take your vegetable, you cut it in a line like that. We have Edith Piaf in the background, it's beautiful. I feel like I'm in France. And you see? And you cut it. You do the same with the zucchini. So you're going to cut some line. Next to Strasbourg, you have the choucroute, close from the food from Germany. So it's sauerkraut, sausage, white wine, everything. You are going to the Périgord, you have the duck, you have the foie gras. One day I will make you have some. Go to south. South is Mediterranean. It's the garlic, it's the olive oil, it's the olive, the trees, the sun, the Mediterranean. Not only the Italian. We use olive oil. We use olive oil. We use basil, herbe de Provence. That is beautiful. So now that my oil is getting hot, I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna start with it's a global.
Okay.
We're gonna start. So you need to start to cook, to process your vegetable step by step. What you want is at the end everything is cooked together. So you make hot your oil, and you can see the vegetables, the onions. So the sweetness of the onions gives always a flavor, and I particularly like onions have a lot of sugar. So when you peel it, it's acidity everywhere. But after, when you cook it, it gets brown and the sugar then you have inside, which is beautiful. Not necessarily, but it's almost ready. So you can serve like that. You can use make some rice or potatoes or whatever you want. Put them a little bit more on the fire. In about 10 minutes it's going to be ready. It's very easy, very fast. The ratatouille. Here is everything going to cook together a little bit. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And since I'm on confinement, I can't go. Just to give a little bit tomato for the acidity. What I'm going to do in the meantime is I'm going to peel the oregano, so it's pretty easy. You can take it and you take off the leaves. Okay, this one and up without pushing. You can see. You do it again. Take it from the up, take it and you take off the leaves. Okay, this one and up without pushing. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to add the herbe de Provence. Because it's more here, basil, parsley, a lot of herbs. I like it. And now you can see it's starting. You can see the noise, you can see the color. So you have to fry it all the time. You don't want it to be a fire to be too small. It will not be good. So a little bit salt. Voilà. After the salt, I cannot tell you how many to take. It's up to you. And some cracked pepper. Fresh always. Voilà. This one I think is ready. Let me see, the meatball look to me ready. Don't do it, I do it because I know, but yep, it's not ready to already cook. So don't leave it like that. Here at this point you need to be careful. We have the spice. We have everything. So we're gonna make sure that it doesn't attach. But you see, come around there, you see all of this, it's attached a little bit. It's a suc, it's a flavor. But you don't want turn it to burn, but this is what it gives a lot of flavors to your food. What we call it the suc. Maybe leave a little bit and the ratatouille is almost ready. The meatball it's ready completely. So it's française. So the recipe onion, lettuce, optional bacon, and a little bit of water, and you cook everything. Your piece ready. Okay, the meatball, green meats, onions, garlic, herbs, salt and pepper, a little bit bread dipped in the milk. That you take off the milk out of the bread and you mix everything. Your meatball are ready. And for the ratatouille, onion, red pepper, eggplant, zucchini, you can add yellow squash, it's the same. Fresh tomatoes, 2-3 tomatoes, me I didn't get them so I couldn't. Garlic, so you cook one after one, you add that in your dish. And then you have the herbs, the fresh oregano, thyme, herbe de Provence, rosemary work, all of these things, and we find in south of France, everything based on olive oil. It's a very healthy dish. You can have it cold, you can have it hot, break an egg for the breakfast or for dinner if you want a light dinner. You break an egg inside with a small plate, you cover it, and so voilà. So I think we're pretty good for today. So we can still have some questions after that I post that. I will answer, and I hope you have a great evening and you enjoy my class. And we'll meet next week around this same time.